Alright, today I've got this Locksmiths own shutter lock. I've never done a shutter lock on this channel before, so I thought I'd show this one off. It takes half Euro cylinders and could probably be modified to take quite a few different ones. So that's the key. We'll stick it in a vise just because it's heavy, like so. We can use top of the keyway. Be careful of shutter, obviously, get in the way, but we can come into the side. Use our multi-pick deforest. Now, this is not particularly difficult. Picked it when I got it straight out of the packet and was just all standard pins, I think. Maybe I'll use this short sparrows actually. There we go. Slightly trickier than I expected, but I don't know, that still didn't take very long. So, with that picked, shutter comes out, and then we've got down this hole, there is an Allen key, which we can unscrew. Too many low pins for the multi-pick. Really needed the flatter one to get under, I think. I'll just this out of place anyway. So there's our key that's gone missing. Come on. Right, so it's got this long pin, and that holds the core in. So it's just got actuator down the bottom there, which makes the shackle go. So you can see it just takes, just a half euro, cut euro even. All you got to do is put some kind of hole in it so that that pin can interact, just a drilled hole, and then just needs to have a back piece that can interact with that actuator at the rear, and you're all good. In fact, I think you could easily switch that actuator out for a different kind. I haven't tried to take that off, but imagine that's... Oh, I need a longer screwdriver. That one doesn't fit. Oh well, that's an exercise for another day. So there they are. It's just a basic shutter lock, but with the option to put a much higher security core in it. I'm not going to cut this. It's virtually all standard pins, so it's not very interesting. But yeah, you could put something quite interesting in there if you wanted, and make a pretty interesting lock. So there you go. That's that one. Key does work. There we go. All right, shutter lock, Locksmiths own.